Did you have unprotected sex, or you got raped, or the condom tore during the activity, and you are wondering, what am I going to do? In this video, I'm going to tell you everything that you have to do immediately after having an unprotected sex to prevent you from getting pregnant or contacting STI. Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. You're seeing my face for the first time. My name is Victoria, and on this channel we talk about everything health and wellness. If you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for always clicking, and if this is your first time coming across my video, please do not make it your last. Don't forget to subscribe so that you keep seeing my videos. Thank you so much. So in today's video, I'm going to be telling you the things that you should do after unprotected sex. So what is unprotected sex? Unprotected sex is that sex that you have without any contraception and without barrier, that is condom. Unprotected sex can happen as a result of plenty things. It could be that you were raped, it could be that you didn't plan for the sex, you just went to see that person without knowing that it was going to happen and it happened. Or you also had unprotected sex with your partner that you don't really trust. In your head, you're like, oh, this guy might be cheating on me, or this guy might be cheating on me, and you've decided not to be having unprotected sex with that your partner, and maybe mistakenly, accidentally, it happened unprotected. So in this video, you will learn things that you have to do after having such sexual encounter with whosoever it is. Having unprotected sex can either leave you with pregnancy or leave you with STIs. So in this video, I'm going to be telling you what to do immediately after having unprotected sex to prevent pregnancy and also to prevent STI. So we are going to be starting with pregnancy, things that you have to do after having an unprotected sex to avoid getting pregnant. The first thing is to reach out for post pill. Post pills are also called emergency contraceptive, or what some of us call Plan B. They are being sold around us. In any pharmacy you go to, you will definitely find one post pill there, or in any chemist. They literally sell those things in pharmacies and in chemists. You can just reach out for them as soon as you have had unprotected sex, and you must do it as soon as possible because delay is dangerous. As the hour increases, the efficiency or the effectiveness of that drug reduces. There are side effects that also follow this post pill, like nausea, vomiting, but it is definitely nothing to worry about. Just make sure you reach out for it and take it as soon as you notice that, oh, I've had unprotected sex and you're at risk of getting pregnant. Just take it. Those side effects, they go away with time. The next thing that you can do after having unprotected sex to prevent pregnancy is getting your intrauterine device inserted, that is IUD. IUD is very effective. It is even more effective than Postino and other post pills. You can get it inserted within 5 days after the incident has happened. Maybe you were not able to reach out for your post pill 3 days, 4 days, you can actually go for that insertion of IUD. This IUD is 99% reliable, and it can also help you prevent pregnancy for years. So while using this IUD, you might notice some effects like bleeding, but that is nothing to worry about. You can just go to your doctor and speak to your doctor, and they'll provide a solution for you. There are also contraindications to using this IUD. Number one, if you have fibroids, it is not advisable to use. If you have infection, it is more advisable that you treat that infection first before inserting your IUD. The next one is if you're already pregnant, it is not advisable to use IUD. So to prevent STI after having unprotected sex, the first thing you should do is to wash up, take a nice shower, wash yourself very well. I'm not telling you to go and start douching. Do not douche, putting your hand inside your vagina to wash it. Don't do it. It is not advised because it can disrupt the natural balance of the bacteria that exists in the vagina, causing you infections like vaginal vaginosis and yeast infection. It can also cause you irritation or disrupt the tissues of the vagina. Another thing that you can do after unprotected sex to avoid getting STI is to pee after sex. Peeing after sex is highly recommended as it will help reduce your risk of UTI, which is urinary tract infection. But don't say that because you have peed, you will not take post pill. Peeing just helps to reduce your risk of getting bacterial infections. It does not prevent pregnancy. It does not flush out the sperm from your body. So make sure that even as you have peed, you will take post pill because peeing does not prevent pregnancy. Another thing that you must do after having an unprotected sex to prevent STI is booking an appointment with your doctor. When you book an appointment with your doctor, he will tell you when you come back for the major test. But before then, he might give you some antibiotics or preventive drugs that can help prevent some infections. There are some that cannot be treated, they can only be managed. he will help you manage it properly. He will give you the right medications that will help in the management of those diseases. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you have not subscribed, if you watched up until now and you have not subscribed, you are under arrest. Please do well to subscribe, like this video, share to your friends that might need it, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.